Welcome. So this channel may not be the biggest, but we are the proudest, and I hope you understood that reference. Anyways, on this channel, I don't try to sell you gear or presets or workshops or none of that BS, basically. But there are ways you can support me, and the best way to support me would be through liking my videos and leaving a comment whenever I upload. Two very useful things for me, especially since I'm not trying to make money here, but I would still like to grow, is if you could watch my videos to the very end, that would be super useful. And if you could also share my videos, that would be incredibly useful. So if you know a photographer who's interested in my style, he's like, hey, I know this channel, you might want to share it, and I would be eternally grateful. I try to make my videos as short and to the point as possible. Unfortunately, I don't have enough watch time to make my videos get seen more, so that's why I ask you to please watch to the very end, because my videos, most of them are like 3 minutes long. So I would be super thankful if you did that. I started this channel in June of 2018, and since then I've had more than 100 videos, so I often get questions about content and especially where to shoot in Seoul, but please go back and check my playlist. I have them very neatly organized, everything from collaborations with other photography YouTube channels to tutorials. I got many film projects. Please check out my film projects. I spend so much time on them. I think you would enjoy them. To regular photography vlogs. So, and also live streams. So if you have a question, chances are I already made a video about it. You just have to please check the playlists. Besides that, I want to stay true to myself and to my own philosophy. I want this channel to be about the art of photography and about actually going out and shooting, not trying to clickbait you and not trying to make 10-minute videos with like 10 seconds worth of actual information. I'm never gonna put like the most important information at the very end, you know, I'm always gonna put it like right in the front. So once again, if you want to support me, please watch the videos to the very end, like and comment and share. I would really appreciate it. And besides that, I want you to know that I want people to think of me as the rainy, snowy, nighttime, neo-noir, cyberpunk, anime, infrared photographer, you know, like I don't think there's another one of those on YouTube. So I want to be that guy that people talk about when they make rain photography videos, you know, especially since I'm not trying to make money here. But anyways, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like. Please watch to the end. And the only time I'm going to ask you is right now in this channel trailer, because I'm not going to do it in the other videos. Anyways, see you around.